Alright, so my cousin and I decided to get our mothers and all our aunts each a monkey for their yard. And my Aunt Judy, when we were young, would not allow her sons Brian and Michael to own Skeletor from Masters of the Universe. They had a bunch of the other figures, but they couldn't have Skeletor. So naturally, I customized her monkey to resemble Skeletor. And he's complete. I had to rebuild his tail and put a new head on him and stuff. And he's solar powered and he lights up where's the button? The best part is this. I customized the mouth. I have you now, Aunt Judy. Anyway, I'm about to mail this off and I guess I'll find out soon how she likes it.